Hi, I'm Rosalie and I'm an artist and I'm going to show you how to draw a tea kettle. So a tea kettle is a pot. I'm just making a rounded shape here. That's the bottom of it. And they come all different shapes and sizes. There's a very common item in everyone's house almost. There's the top of this one. And the hand, oh, it has put a little knob there. And it has a handle that comes up like that to a handle there. So that's where you would grab it. And it has a spout, which is like a curving shape like that. And this one has the handle on top. So it's like that. But another kind could be like this. It's like an oval shape. And would have a spout there, sort of a more modern style. And then the handle is like this. And the lid is like that. And there's a little thing there to signal the steam. And you could have some steam coming out. Why not? And that's a tea kettle. That's what you use to boil the water, not to brew the tea. So that's how I draw a tea kettle.